Hello everyone, this is me, Salu. In this video, we are going to see some beautiful views of Rameshwar Temple and Bindu Sarovar of Bhubaneswar. If you are here first time, then please like the video and subscribe. The capital of the eastern state of Odisha, Bhubaneswar, has a history that stretches back over 2000 years. Bhubaneswar is called City of Temples because the city holds around 700 temples. Rameshwar Temple, also known as Mausima Temple of Lord Lingaraj. It is just 2 km away from Lingaraj Temple. The temple houses a Shivalinga. There is also an image of Lord Durga. Historians say that the temple was built during the late Somavansha period that can be traced to the early part of the 12th century AD. The Rameshwar temple belongs to the ancient Kalinga architecture. The temple is decorated with the intricate sculpture. The surrounding of the temple is green and well maintained. It offers a holy environment, radiating peace to the devotees. Now we are going to Bindu Sarovar. It is also known as Bindusagar Lake. It is located in the right side of the Talabazar road leading to Lingaraj Temple. The lake is enclosed within a masonry embankments made of laterite blocks. It is the largest water body of Bhubaneswar. All the rituals of Lord Lingaraja are closely associated with this lake. According to the story, Shiva and Parvati after their marriage came to Varanasi. But with the passage of time, Varanasi became a populated area. Lord Shiva chose Ekammara Kshetra for meditation in disguise. This place was having a single huge mango tree surrounded by jungle. Even it was unknown to Parvati. With the reference from Lord Brahma, Devi Parvati came to know about this place and came to Ekammara Kshetra to search her Lord Shiva. Also, she noticed that thousands of cows are going under the huge mango tree and automatically milking a place. She understood that her Lord Shiva is there. She took care of the cows as a milkmaid. Devi Parvati in the milkmaid get-up was looking too attractive. It was also noticed by two demons of the locality, known as Kriti and Vasa. They proposed Parvati to marry, but Parvati killed the two demons by pressing them into the ground with her feet. After killing the demons, Parvati became tired and took rest at a place called Babani Shankar temple. Parvati felt very thirsty, and to quench her thirst, Lord Shiva struck his trident at this place, out of which a spring came out. The water was then sanctified by the river of all streams and ultimately took the shape of a large water body, which is known as today's Bindusagar. I hope you like this video. So we can meet in another video about Lingaraj temple. Stay tuned. Bye.